And now, your weather authority, Todd Warren, certified the most accurate forecast in the Arklatex.
Well, another day of above normal temperatures across the Arklatex as we did make it into the 60s over most of the area. You can see how we concluded the day today in Texarkana. Time lapse from the Texarkana New Holland camera there on Summer Hill Road, featuring just a few high clouds streaming over Texarkana at sunset this evening. Let's take a look at the changes which are on the way. As tomorrow, another mild day with a south wind. 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. You see the frontal system moving through central Oklahoma. It'll very quickly make its way through the Arklatex. Saturday will be a bit cooler, but the majority of the colder air will move in on Sunday and early next week. You really feel the difference in the air as we look ahead to Sunday, when daytime highs will be in the 30s and low 40s. Meantime, Robbins Toyota Futurecast shows that tonight we will see the clouds begin to move into the area very late tonight towards morning. Those clouds will settle in during the day as we'll see a small chance for a spotty shower, but most of the Arklatex probably will stay dry tomorrow. Notice the big red arrows. That's that strong south wind tomorrow at 15 miles per hour. As we move into Saturday morning, you can see the wind shift here. That is the front, and once that frontal system moves through Saturday, we'll stay partly to mostly cloudy, and we'll see the wind also remain rather windy on Saturday with against sustained winds right around 15 gusts both tomorrow and Saturday at around 20 to 25 miles per hour. And we'll probably continue with the dry weather pattern as we go through the rest of the weekend, with some sunshine returning for the most part on Sunday. So again, we have this big Arctic air mass which is going to settle into the eastern two-thirds of the country, and with this cold sitting here, we're going to have to watch for these little disturbances that'll be rotating around the base of this upper level trough. Latest trend in the model showing one which does produce some precipitation over South Texas as we go into Monday night. Most of the precipitation from this likely will stay to our south. You'll see that when I show you the latest snowfall projections here in a second. And then we'll see a second disturbance bring us a chance for mainly rain, although we will have to keep an eye out on Wednesday night, as temperatures should be fairly close to freezing, so there is a possibility for some winter precipitation Wednesday night as well. And then we're going to warm up as we move into next weekend, with temperatures eventually back up close to 60. As far as the latest on the snow, not much. As you can see here, likely that most of the Arklatex will not see anything measurable. There is a chance we could see a little bit of accumulation south part of the area, but notice, very small chance that still a little bit of accumulation, a possibility further to the north. So that means we have to keep an eye on this as we go through the weekend. And you can see the various models here with snowfall potential: Natchitoches, Texarkana, and Shreveport. All three locations, every model and ensemble, inch or less at the most, the way things are looking right now. So your forecast for tonight is looking clear to partly cloudy, as we'll see the clouds increase late tonight. 37 in Shreveport, 34 in Minden, 35 in Atlanta, and 36 degrees in Texarkana. Tomorrow, expect a mostly cloudy sky. It will stay mild and will be rather breezy, as we'll see a high in Center at 59 degrees, 54 in Hope, and 56 degrees for the high temperature in DeQueen. 10-day forecast shows the cool down this weekend, only 41 on Sunday. Upper teens, low 20s for lows Monday morning and Tuesday morning. Possibility of snow Tuesday, mainly rain Thursday, and you can see the warm up. We'll be back up close to 60 by the end of next weekend. That's a look at your forecast. We'll be back with more news and sports after this.